Test. Okay. Test. Let's try something. So if I share my screen here, we want screen one. Okay. So here's a demonstration on how to compress your folders for assignments 2.5. I have my little keystroke visualizer right here to help you guys see which buttons I'm pressing. So we'll go through this right here. The most important thing to remember to start off is to have all of your HTML for your website. Everything needs to live within this root folder. So if we open up the root folder, pardon me, we open up the root folder, we have my index page, we have my contact page, and then we have another page for later, as well as our content subdirectory, right? Here's our main directory or our root folder, and then here's our subdirectory. It says the button Y is being pressed for some reason. Not sure what's going on there. So anyways, we have our correctly configured root folder here with the correct first initial last name underscore your class period. This is a demonstration, so whatever class period yours is in is the one you'll use. And then something as simple as assignment or project 2.5. As a matter of fact, I'm going to rename this real quick to Garage 2.5, just in case it doesn't get confused with assignment 2.5. So if we come into here, and then we click on this guy, we have all of our correctly configured, my goodness, correctly configured pages. So the only thing that's in the root folder is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and then everything else is in its subdirectories. So let's get to the actual point, right? You want to right click on your file in the browser. I don't know if this works for Macs. It should work the same way, but I'm working on Windows, so we'll assume this is Windows. Canvas, message me if you have any issues with that specifically. So anyways, you click on it to have it selected. You can also check these boxes as a quicker way to do it. And then you right click. You're going to go down here towards the bottom past all my junk that I have in my file browser. You're going to want to look for the send to item right here. My black cursor's down the bottom, send to. The second option underneath Bluetooth device is compressed or zipped folder. So when you press that and then you just hit enter, it'll automatically configure your zipped file. So it's ready to submit for Canvas. The cool thing about zipping is not only does it reduce your file size a little bit, make it easier to share, but I have a program called 7-Zip, but it's just a zip or a compressed folder tool manager. It preserves all the directories and subdirectories. You'll go up a few levels within our web page. And so this is just the exact same way that you guys will be doing this for all of your assignments. It's really simple. I've extended the due date on this guy to Monday the 13th, just in case we have any issues in class, but we are starting that new unit on Monday. So be ready for that. Anyways, that's how you zip up your folder for specifically, we're going to start it at project 2.5, but we'll be using that a lot in the future as our web pages continue to grow and become more advanced. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a great weekend. See you on Monday.